Are you seeing the Bgt5 module DLL in your favorite title? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix your gaming DLLs and get your performance back to normal. To kick off the manual repair for Bgt5 module, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Bgt5 module, a specialized library associated with the Grand Theft Auto V modding community, often bundled with trainers or script frameworks. It handles the injection of custom gameplay logic. Because it acts as an injector, it is frequently flagged by antivirus software. If missing, mods and trainers will fail to activate within the game. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Errors related to Bgt5 module DLL often mean the internal ScriptHookV configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Bgt5 module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of Bgt5 module DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Bgt5 module. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Bgt5 module was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.